Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to structure your IELTS Writing Task 1 report. So let's get straight to it. First of all, the introduction. You need to paraphrase the question. This is the question and this is the part where you need to paraphrase. It's simple. When you paraphrase, make sure you change the sentence structure and use synonyms. This way you will have a perfect introduction. Now the second paragraph is the overview. In the overview, all you need to do is to highlight the most prominent features, which means the highest and the lowest and any dramatic changes you can see in the graph. You can see in this example the film club remained consistently high. This is the highest. And then look at the amateur dramatics. So a steady decline, which is the lowest. And if you take a look at the dramatic change, you can see the table tennis grew significantly. Then you can start talking about the highest and compare it with the lowest. If you compare it, use a complex structure, you can guarantee a higher score band. And now we come to writing the body paragraphs. Keep in mind, you need to group data logically. Look at this example. You can see film club, amateur dramatics, and martial arts. These three things, they have something in common. These activities had little change or downward trend. However, in body paragraph 2, you can see that table tennis, musical performances, they both have consistent growth, so it's logical to group them in body paragraph 2. So remember, when you write body paragraph 1, you can use comparison, use complex structure to make your sentences more advanced, hence score higher. So take a look at this example, paragraph 1, and look at the transitions, look at the linkers, and look at the structure of the sentences. This way you can guarantee a higher score. Good luck and see you in the next class.